In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to force quit out of applications that are frozen or not responding. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is tap the Option, Command, and Escape key on your keyboard to open up the Force Quit menu. You'd select the app you want to remove or turn off or quit out of, and then select Force Quit. You may also want to select the Apple icon up in the menu bar and select Force Quit. That's an alternative option here. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.